Welcome again to another live trading session with us at marketpotentials.com. Now, I hope every one of you watching this is keeping healthy, staying at home, and generally practicing good hygiene to keep away from COVID-19. And hopefully, with everyone doing their parts, we would all get back to our normal lives very, very soon. Now, if you are in the meantime stuck at home and wondering what can you do to supplement your income, or if you have no source of income even and you're looking to trade to earn some serious cash, then listen up closely, because I'm actually sharing stuff that I've learned over the years, over the past 6 years, and spent thousands of dollars in courses. And I'm literally actually showcasing how I trade for free on YouTube. So this is just a way for me to show that it is still very possible to earn an income, even if you're stuck at home at the moment. As long as you've got a computer or a mobile phone, you can pretty much do what I'm doing. All right, so in today's case, I'm going to be trading with an instrument called binary options. If you're new to this, it's very similar to Forex pair trading. I'm pretty sure you would have heard of Forex. Okay, so in Forex, you typically buy. This is actually a Forex chart. That's the Euro versus the British Pound pair, the Forex pair, and I'm actually just trading it using binary options. Okay. What that means is the Forex pair is the underlying instrument, but I'm trading it with binary options. Now, what binary options is very, very straightforward. Now, when it comes to Forex, for example, you would buy this Forex pair, this pair at this level, and you would short it. If you expect it to go lower, then you sell it here and make a profit, or you expect it to go higher, then you sell it as it's higher and you make a profit. In binary options, it's very similar, but instead of in Forex, sometimes you sell at a point where you make 2%, where you make 5%, 20%, or you may even lose like 50%, all right, whatever. So it's variable, okay? It's entirely variable. It depends on a lot of things, and it's never fixed, okay? What you can expect to get out of it. In binary options, the returns are fixed. So on a successful trade in this pair right now, I make 87% of my investment, which is huge. I mean, guys, 87% on your investment is a crazy amount of money in any instrument. Okay, right. Sorry. While I was just talking to you there, I went ahead and did a quick trade again. Put in $1,000 in this particular trade, and I expect it to go lower. And if I'm successful, I'm going to pocket 87% of my investment. Now, this white line here that you saw is the purchase deadline. Yeah, so you have to buy before this, and in 30 seconds is the payout. Okay, as you can see, things are going fairly according to the direction that I traded, which is lower. And in just a couple of more seconds, I would pocket $870. And as you guys saw, that's $870.86 in profit. Guys, that's 87% return of investment of $1,000 which I've put in. Okay, so this is how we trade binary options. Okay, it's fairly straightforward. Sorry, I couldn't talk a little bit earlier because I'm trying to shoot the video, trying to trade, trying to analyze the chart. But anyway, yes, so that's 87% of an investment which I put in, $1,000. The free sign up link is down below. You can sign up for the same account that I'm using. The trading platform is called IQ Option. It's one of the most reputable binary option trader platform out there. And I have been using it for the past close to about 5 years now. So as you know, I've had no qualms with it. I do have some background in trading, Forex and stuff. But if you don't, it's really not that hard as well. As you saw, it's just the click of a button, okay? So again, let's just recap and look again at this chart, okay? So you do need a little bit of technical analysis. If you're entirely new to this, you can just do a quick Google and find out what this is all about. Now, in terms of this chart in particular, yeah, the Forex pair, the Euro versus the British Pound, the indicators that I'm using are very, very traditional. So this is the Bollinger Bands, this is the awesome indicator, momentum, and MACD. All of this combines to provide a overall picture of the trend or the momentum of the chart, and that's exactly all you need. Okay, here's tip number one. Tip number one is if you're going to make a decision to buy or sell, I mean higher or lower this one, just make sure that you're as close as possible to the white line. I typically stick to under 5 seconds, sometimes even under 3, to ensure that I capitalize on this. Why? Because things change in this 30 seconds. So instead of making a decision here and spending all this extra time taking on the risk, I just do it much closer to the white line, keeping my risk low, and I'm able to see a trend much better as well. Now let's look at the trend, what I saw here. As you saw, there was a bit of a pickup in a very, very short point here. Now, these are the things I look for, okay? Because when things like this happen, it's on the majority of cases, I'd say more than 80% of the time, temporary. As you saw, it went up here and it immediately came down. And I'm also looking at the charts here, okay? Charts here and here. And they all indicate an upswing. But as you saw here, I made the purchase decision somewhere, sorry, the selling decision, sell lower, somewhere here. And as you saw, the blue line is basically, the positive part, all right? The red is, in easy speak, negative, all right? So that means going down. As you saw, the blue was right at the peak, and you know that this is when it's going to turn the other way. And hence why I selected lower, and I expect the chart to end up lower, which it did. And so the downtrend started here, and it stayed all the way here until after it started swinging back. And that was exactly how I capitalized on this. So number one, I'm able to understand a little bit of trends, a momentum, how the charts react, and take opportunities and trade that way. Now, it is fairly straightforward, as you saw. There's really nothing complicated about it. There's a click of a button, and I literally pocketed $870. Now, I want you to reflect on this. What would $870 mean to you today? 87% of whatever money you put in. What would it mean to you when you're stuck at home? If you got literally nothing to do, maybe even suffered a loss of income or a reduction in income. This is something that's going to literally change your life if you take action. Look, this is not going to be working for everybody. You do have to put in some effort. I got here over 6 years by putting in consistent effort, learning, and practicing. And yeah, obviously, if you want this kind of returns, you're going to put in some work. So if you're prepared to do that, then yeah, hit subscribe. I'll be happy to share videos just like this with you going forward. I'm trying to record this kind of trading videos a bit more frequently now. You do need the access to the trading platform. Yeah, sign up link is down below, so do that. And minimum deposit starts from just $10, guys. So sign up, put in $10 and see how it goes. And minimum deposit is $10. You can start trading for just $1 a trade if you want to. Now, of course, if you want the kind of returns that I'm making, you're kind of gonna have to put in a bit more money as well. But you can do that over a period of time. But like I said, the most important thing is take action. All right. So in the meantime, stay safe, guys. Happy trading, and I'll see you guys soon. Cheers.